Hello guys, today I wanted to shoot a quick video about my awesome aquaponics setup. This setup is made out of an old foosball kicker table, which we didn't use anymore, and we were discussing about leaving it, but I said, hey, let's use it in a creative way and transform it to an aquaponics setup. So for you who don't know aquaponics lets you both grow fish and plants at the same time. So here beneath you can see the fish growing in their fish tank of 200 liters. The water gets, by feeding the fish, the water gets contaminated with waste excrements. So we pump the contaminated water with the pump inside up to the plant area. It comes in here through this tube. Then the pebblets here, the hydro pebblets, convert the ammonium from the fish waste to nitrate, and the nitrate is getting taken up by the plants. They grow. It's a essential nutrient for them, and then the purified water leaves the plant area through this draining tube and go back into the fish area. So that is how this system is aged for 2 years now in a sustainable way. So guys, if you want to make your own foosball table aquaponics setup, this is what you will need. So of course an old foosball kicker table. Put out the bars, fill it with some waterproof material. You can see it's waterproof polyester. Then fill it with these hydro pebblets. Make sure you have an inlet tube, which is also water resistant. Here comes in the water. Then of course the plants. Here I have made my outlet section. So where you actually put in the balls, you can still see the balls here. I've made this waterproof water outlet section. This outlet section goes back into here and then back into the water area, the fish area. And here I've made my water pump area. I have also a heater for the goldfish because this area can get pretty cold in the winter, and I have also oxygenation. There is the oxygenation pump because in the summer it also gets warm, so temperature fluctuates here, so oxygenation will help give the fish enough oxygen. And then here's my timer section, just this section. So every 1 hour I let it oxygenate and pump water for 5 minutes. So if all goes well, if I now set it from auto to on, it will start pumping water. So here you can see the oxygenation working. Then water gets pumped here, you can see it from the inlet. Salts will remain here. The water will divide itself, convert it from ammonium to nitrate through this bacteria which grow on hydro pellets. Then if it's get high enough, it's flushed down here back into the fish area. So what do we have? We have happy fish, happy plants, and happy people. So I hope I've stimulated you to maybe do the same. Use your imagination a bit, get creative, because you get a lot of satisfaction from these things, especially if they work for 2 years. I only have to feed them, so it's a great pleasure to watch as well. So yeah, good luck guys with making your own systems. Ciao.
You gotta put your past behind you. Look, kid, bad things happen, and you can't do anything about it, right? Wrong! When the world turns its back on you, you turn your back on them.
Well, that's not what I was told.
Then maybe you need a new lesson. Repeat after me. Hakuna Matata. No worries.